किसी को नहीं मालूम है ना मेरे घर पे ना सनोबर और सफ़ा जो मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं, तो किसी को इसके बारे में मालूम नहीं है क्या है क्या नहीं है। एंड सेकेंडली टुडे इज सनोबर्स बर्थडे, so happy birthday सनोबर। Hey Safa. So guys, we have taken a halt now for breakfast food court mein. Hey Safa, do you want to say something? Where are you going?
I am going to.
Safa doesn't know.
I'm going to those ones.
Okay.
Pot and this smoke dog and smoking and this turtle.
Okay. तो guys, हमने ऑर्डर किया है मसल पाव, सफ़ा के लिए फ्राइज एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्कशेक, फॉर मी पोहा। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
I'm feeling. I don't know. क्या कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है, गांव में घुसते जा रहे हैं। एक्साइटमेंट तो है बट
What is the level of your excitement?
हाय है
How
रात
eager are you
कल
to
रात
see the
से-
surprise?
very eager, very patiently sitting, waiting for it to arrive.
छोटे छोटे से गांव आ रहे हैं, रोड भी आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसी सब कच्चा है, तो गाड़ी भी एकदम स्लो चलती है। वी आर ऑलमोस्ट टू आवर डेस्टिनेशन। अभी सनोबर को नाम पता चल चुका है क्योंकि इतना बड़ा बोर्ड जो लगाया हुआ था, यू कैन सी ऐसे रास्तों से आके देयर इज अ वेरी इंटीरियर रास्ता फॉर दिस रिसोर्ट व्हिच इज नोन एज जल सृष्टि आइलैंड रिसोर्ट। सनोबर देख के थोड़ा घबरा गई है। Yes? Anis. Anis.
Anis.
We have arrived. लगेज जो है हमारे रूम तक पहुंच जाएगा थोड़ा जो है, और बाकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वी आर कैरिंग। Yes. So this is basically an island resort. Green one, right? So how excited are you?
Yeah, look, there's some people and the ones that into the water.
Yeah. Can you see the bull? The water is coming from his mouth. There. See there? Can you see?
Yay!
Yeah.
And I'm not shooting them.
Will it over?
Yes.
Really?
Everything. Yeah. It's by hand. See.
Deep within, here we go. Somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end?
Come.
Before
Come,
we've
Safa.
even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean, so
Yeah.
endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
Yes. Jump. Yeah. Yeah, Safa. Safa, can you see crocodile? Yeah. Come. So that area is bird watching area. Come. We'll come there later. Come. Come, beta.
gone again. Sinking in, on shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes, feel you hold my hand.
Yeah?
Just like you used
Yeah. You can go.
peaceful.
I'll just speak to the reception and come. You can see all the lotus are there, Safa. See the lotus.
Second, you're still mine.
See.
Diving to all this endless space.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you like it?
Still I see you.
Hey, Sanova, how are you feeling now?
A lovely start, but letting go slow
Okay.
this part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this stream.
Anis.
But soon comes morning.
आइटनरी एक बार बोल देता हूँ
जी.
1 to 3 लंच रहेगा आपका
Okay.
Then उसके बाद हाई टी रहती है 5 to 6
5 to 6.
8:30 to 10 डिनर
Okay.
एंड मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट 8:30 to 10
Okay.
ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट में सब करते हैं
Okay.
डिनर ओपन एरिया जो सामने देख रहा हूँ ओपन एरिया में सब होता
Okay.
है आई टी पीछे फार्मिंग एरिया है उसके बैक साइड में
Okay.
फार्मिंग एरिया में सब होती है
Right.
देन उसके अलावा 5 to 6 में हॉर्स राइड है
Okay.
राइड है साइकिल राइडिंग है
Okay.
आप कर सकते हैं हाँ बोलो
अभी लुक अराउंड कर सकते हैं ना? देख सकते हैं ना मतलब?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है उसके अलावा इंडोर गेम सेक्शन है
ओके.
पूल टेबल है टेबल टेनिस है
ओके. ओके.
कैरम्स है इसके अलावा कुछ रहेगा 9 नंबर में
ओके. तो हम इधर ही रहते हैं जो ये भी हो.
प्रॉपर्टी का
ओके.
1 to 3 लंच रहेगा लंच रेडी हो जाएगा
ओके. थैंक यू. सो बेसिकली गाइस यहाँ का चेक इन टाइम जो है इट्स एक्चुअली 2 o'clock. तो हम लोग जो है अराइव जल्दी होएगी. इतने संडे को तो आदमी तो अगर किधर जाना हो तो जल्दी निकलता है. तो हम लोग ने हमारे हिसाब से नाउ द टाइम इज़ अराउंड एज यू कैन सी 12:20. द रूम विल बी गेटिंग रेडी बट वी कैन हैव अ लुक ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. तो आपको बताते हैं. चलो लेट्स गो सनोवर. विल सी द प्रॉपर्टी. सी yes. So this is the restaurant here by the river side and यहाँ पे जो है इंडोर रेस्टोरेंट है. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आज होंगी जो आपको बताया जाएगा कैसे क्या होता है. होप सो वी एंजॉय आवर मिनी वेकेशन as well as you. Beautiful view in the nature itself. And see Safa started enjoying. Yes? Yes, she's riding a small horsey. Safa, are you loving it? I have snake and ladders here.
Hold my breath, looking up,
There's a big dice
life moves in ways that
where we can play.
can
Just rolling the dice like this and show you. Yeah. Oh, there's a swimming pool. Yes. Come here. Come, Safa. Yeah, that's what I told you to carry the clothes. Such a beautiful. Yeah, come, beta. We'll come. Okay? Later. We'll come later to the swimming pool. Okay? So you can have a 360 view of the property. Come on,
Come,
come,
we'll
Safa.
We'll come here later.
Come. Yes, yes, we'll play. Come, Safa. 11 बजे. Safa, Now you can see the ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Come on. Yes, yes, we'll play beta. So अभी तक तो हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. Safa, come. There's a small bridge. Go. Yeah.
That's not too small. Look, the frog is spitting out the water.
Yeah. Come. See a frog.
Look, another. A bird.
The birdie, yeah.
It actually is duck.
Come. आओ Sanobar.
And the tree house is so... That one.
Yeah.
That's nice. I want to see that one. Ooh, this is a nice tree house.
So there are two types of cottages here, which is one is this is called Jal Push, which is a riverside cottage. तो Sanobar, इसमें क्या है? Back side में you will get a river view in this cottage, and there is one special thing which Safa and maybe you will be also liking it inside. And secondly, there are only two types of room here. One is the riverside, and one they have made an artificial pond here. So one is pond room, which is facing the pond, and one is facing the natural river. That is Jal Push. We have taken the expensive one, the Jal Push. We'll show you the room later. Jalaka is the another one which is facing to the pond. Can you see this red flower? No, we can plug it later. Come. We can see the property, Safa. And यहाँ पे शाम में क्या होता है? नहीं गजल्स ये सब तो लाइव चलते रहते हैं विद द लंच एंड डिनर इवनिंग में. यू कैन उन लोग ट्रैक्टर राइड में लेके जाते हैं. ट्रैक्टर राइड में आपको लेके जाएंगे. देन इन द फार्म्स वेयर दे विल बी गिविंग सर्विंग हॉट भजियास एंड ऑल विद द टी. And in that you can there is a horse ride as well. वो टाइम पे तो आप हॉर्स राइड भी कर सकते हो, जा सकते हो, आ सकते हो. एंड देयर इज बाइसाइकिल राइड ऑल्सो. सो हाई टी के टाइम में यू कैन टेक इट. Yeah, there is a playground too for Safa, so kids will also enjoy here. There is a झूला here which is पूरे अगर आप देखोगे तो आप देखो there are many swings here, but ये जो झूला है कुछ अलग ही है, विच इज़ सराउंडेड बाय ट्रीज. तो मतलब ऊपर से तो धूप का नशर नहीं है. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. और यहाँ पे और एक इंस्ट्रक्शन ज़रूर दी गया है, एज दिस इज़ सराउंडेड इन द नेचुरल हैबिटेट. तो यू नीड टू क्लोज द रूम ऑलवेज, बिकॉज अगर क्लोज नहीं करोगे तो चांसेस है इंसेक्ट, चूहा, बीवा कुछ भी आने का. सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल. सो गाइस, रिसोर्ट तो आपने देख ही चुके हैं, और we'll see what we can do. Now it's playing time for Safa. So guys, bye bye, catch you later. Hello guys, once again. तो ये क्लिप में हम लोग सनोबर से पूछेंगे, जिसके लिए we have come here to a very beautiful resort in the nature itself. Is an island, जल सृष्टि. तो सनोबर, आप बताइए आपको कैसा लगा. मतलब अभी तक हम लोग ने वी हैव नॉट सीन द रूम्स, बट देन टू व्हाट यू विल बी सेइंग अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टी.
प्रॉपर्टी अभी तक जो देखी बहुत अच्छी है. वेरी वेरी लाइक आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट एट ऑल. वो नीचे पूरा जो वो था, पूरा गांव देख के मैं थोड़ी
रोड जैसे थे, और एक भी
कितने खराब, ऑलमोस्ट कच्चे रोड्स. एंड मैं बोली यार कहाँ आ गए, ये लेने के देने नहीं पड़ जाए.
राइट.
But then we took the right, and yeah, surprise पे surprise है. गुड प्लेस, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इन फैक्ट. देखते हैं आगे का कैसा रहेगा, बट दिस इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
Right.
थैंक यू.
Enough, okay?
Enough? See. See.
ओके. Are you having fun?
Somehow I'm caught in the middle.
Hey guys, welcome back again.
Before we've even begun,
So, this is our beautiful home for a short trip. Jal Push 4. There is sitting outside, as you can see, directly from our home. Sanitizer kept well. A vintage style home. Let's open the door and let's see how does it look. Beautiful bed.
but still I
As you can see, there's an AC
lovely start.
and the mini fridge, telephone, and
Swimming
the sitting outside. I'll show you the main area in our room. Swing. We have a lounge area in our room. As you can see, wood swing, as Safa is saying,
my breath,
and from as you can see,
life moves in
And there's a snake down.
there's a snake down.
catch a glimpse
Yes,
of what was you
and see the view from our room,
sinking in.
or else you can say balcony area.
One foot in front of the other.
Hope you're liking it, and show you the bathroom as well. It's quite big enough. Such a beautiful, antique interiors. This is the washroom. See, very beautiful. And this is for taking shower. And while taking shower, you can see directly, you can see the river if you want. Hey guys, enjoy. Ah.
On this dream, but soon
How many of us are here?
Hey, show.
One, two,
You know? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Now we are going for the tractor, right? What do you want to do?
Come, Mama.
क्या? Yes. So this is high tea time. Snacks in the evening, cycle, tractor ride, and as well as horse ride. So अब खाते हैं, फिर बाद में करते हैं कुछ. लिए ना।
Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in ways it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that
So guys,
you're still mine.
welcome back again. So now we are heading for our dinner.
In this space,
Looking very beautiful. I'll show you. The dinner is like not indoor, it's outdoor, and let me show you with the live gazelle. It's like a wedding. Yes. Ooh. So many kidas here. Yes, but we are enjoying. See. Hope you can see the swimming pool. In this can't. Let me show you what all we have. We have some barbecue. Maybe this is a non-veg section and this is veg. And we have some chutneys, onion, salad, nachos, soups, tawa paneer, veg banjara, methi matar malai, Thai curry, steamed rice,
deep within, here we go. Somehow I'm caught in the middle. This is the end.
sweets, desserts, and a few live sections.
A drop in the ocean, so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space.
So today
But still I see
we have left the resort and came back to the parking area. It was a very good experience, although we enjoyed a lot, and hope to see you again with another video soon, inshallah. Till then, take care.
hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in ways that keeps
There's the
changing.
car.